Hi folks, it's Jerry from Comfort again, here to talk about Comfort's bath remodeling. What more important room do you have in your house? You use your bathroom every single day and it takes a beating. Now, over the years, your old tubs that were actually made of porous materials that actually had hills and valleys hold the dirt. What we can do basically is go over your old tub and reline that. We can take your old tub out, put a new one in. We can convert your tub to basically a shower, a walk-in shower, an enclosure. There's limitless things you can do. As far as going over your old tub, that's how easy it is. The new tubs are the thickest acrylic in the industry, and this stuff here is so easy to clean. You're not going to need any soap. You're not going to need any harsh abrasives. You can use vinegar and water or like a light Fantastic. Rub it right over, and these things are going to look as new as the day they were put in 30 years from now. Where were these things 30 years ago? One other great feature is that there are 8 styles of walls that also surround the tub on 3 sides. We call that the wet area, and there's 21 patterns and colors that you can use. You can design these any way you want. The choices are almost limitless. When we remodel bathrooms, they're going to include brand new grab bars so it's easy to get up. You're going to get new shower rods if you want, or you can go to shower doors, swing doors, sliding doors, self-cleaning glass. You're going to get a list of all new accessories, your shower heads, your on-off valves, your Positemp valve that will also stop you from getting scalded if someone happens to flush the toilet while you're taking a shower. You know, you want to stay comfortable. And on top of that, Comfort uses absolutely no subcontractors. We measure your bathroom, handle it, install it all with our employees, and put Comfort's lifetime limited warranty on everything we do. It's a beautiful thing.